All right, so we're going to use the TrueFlow grid here. I'm in the app. What we have to do is make sure these are both added. The top one's the TrueFlow grid. Hit the plus button on the DG8 manometer. It's going to connect. All right, they're both connected. Now we can move on to the measure section. System airflow and static pressure at the top is what we're going to select. This is the new heating mode. I'm going to select furnace because that's what I have. I have an upflow system, meaning the supply is pushing up. Now, air filter location is a filter slot. I'm going to remove the indoor cooling coil because I do not have one. Now, it's asked me for my rated input and output. I have a photo of my nameplate data sheet. So here we see input BTU H, output BTU H, which is, you see two numbers here because there's two stages. We want to take the higher stage, 66,000 and 62,000. So I will type that in, 66,000, 62,000. Now it asks for my rated temp rise. Okay, my rated temp rise, also right here on the nameplate. So we're gonna go over, so it says 50 to 80 or 25 to 55. Now again, we have two stages of heat, so we're gonna choose the higher stage, 50 to 80. Now, if you want to learn more about this, first thing that comes up for me is HVAC School. Mr. Brian Orr has a nice article where he talks all about this exact temperature rise, and it even includes the 50 to 80 that my furnace is rated at. All right, so now that we have that measurement, we're going to go back to rated temp rise. Now this is kind of subtle, but it's asking me for the minimum. So I'm going to type in the minimum. When I hit OK, it's going to come up again. Now at first I thought this was an error, but now it says maximum. Okay, so 80 is my maximum. There's typically a 30-degree delta between the minimum and the maximum. All right, that does enter my rated temp rise. My return air temperature is a little bit warmer, 73. So we're going to hit next. We're going to make sure any humidifier dampers are closed. We're going to set the equipment to cooling mode at high cooling speed. Actually, in this case, it's going to be in heating mode. Not sure if that's a mistake. And then we're going to start taking pressure measurements at the locations indicated in the diagram.